Hi, I'm Nancy Ganser-Crawford, business coach to interior designers and other creative entrepreneurs. One of the biggest blocks for my ideal client, my past clients, is the sales closing conversation. Everybody wants to know how to close a sale in a non-salesy way. I came up with this great formula. It's just one that I created that makes it super easy. I call it the desire sales formula. It flows you through a series of asking the person, why did they call you? And then getting a further explanation as to why it's important to them now. Then you painting the solution that you can provide to them when you work with them without giving your price yet. Just the solution. What can they expect? What's the end result of working with you? Then you want to ask them, how does that sound? You've just painted this great picture. Well, when I work with you, I'm going to make sure that you get this, whatever they asked for, in their words, if you can, by a certain date, because I know it's important to you because of some reason they revealed in that first discovery section. And you say, how does that sound to you? And they go, if you've nailed this conversation, they're going to say, oh my God, that sounds great. And you go, okay, this is how we can get started. And that's where you provide your perfect service for the price of whatever, and you let them know how they can start with you right away. If you flow this conversation properly, at the end, that final E stands for excitement. Like, great, I'm really excited to work with you. Let's get started. So again, don't reveal your price right away. First, you want to paint the picture of what you can do for them and what you can do for their home, what you can do for their business, what you can do for their life in general. So this is just one of many tips I have. Join me in actionableentrepreneurs.com. It's my private Facebook group where I go live every day.